Most people want to become a manager. Better title, more money, more status. But that's the problem. Most people want the benefits, but not the reality. Because being a manager means less control, more responsibility, and constant pressure. As an employee, you can focus on your own tasks. As a manager, you deal with people all day. Different personalities, different problems, different expectations. And here is the key question. Do you actually enjoy working with people? Not controlling them? Not fixing them? Working with them? Bad managers don't like people. They like control. And that's why they fail. Good leaders like people. They're curious. They listen. They try to understand. And that creates trust. Another truth. You will not make everyone happy. Sometimes you have to say no. Sometimes you have to make tough calls. And people will judge you. So ask yourself this. Do you want to be liked or respected? Because leadership is not about being popular. It is about doing what is right, even when it's uncomfortable. So no, leadership is not for everyone. And that's a good thing, because the people who choose it, for the right reasons, become great leaders. Most people want to become a manager.